In this video, we will be showing you the world's fastest sawmills machines that you can use to scale your woodworking business up in action. We have the Cook's Saw AC36. This machine is specifically designed for converting logs to lumber easily. It is a highly productive machine as it needs as few as 1 to 3 people to perform log handling operations. It has a weight slightly above 3,000 kg and can handle numerous logs weighing up to 4,500 kg. And despite that much weight, it remains portable that it can be easily carried around at the workstation. Powered by a 52 horsepower Perkins diesel engine, this machine is a beast as it runs at a ridiculously high speed. Additionally, it has solid 26-inch wheels and is fully hydraulic, and comes with a handheld remote box that can be used to load, turn, level, clamp, and cut through the wood easily without much technical expertise. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe for more incredible machine videos. Here is the TurboSawmill Weekend Warrior. This machine is a revolutionary product, a first-of-its-kind product with a revolutionary frame with a unique open-side design, setting new industry standards. TurboSawmill blades stand out with a rapid 60-second sharpening time, which in turn makes it incredibly fast. In comparison, regular bandsaw blades often requires specialized equipment and intricate sharpening due to their numerous teeth, involving additional steps like setting the teeth and dressing the gullets. Moreover, the Sawmill's Swingblade design allows it to produce a finished piece of lumber with each pass, making the whole process a whole lot faster compared to other sawmills that might require multiple passes and even more equipment to go at the same speed. Germany has been known for its advanced engineering product design, and that is where our next sawmill is from, the Serra XT 135. This band sawmill machine can carry up to 3.5 tons of log, and thanks to the special hydraulic folding extension, it can cut through woods with diameters up to 135 cm easily. It also comes with a 35 kilowatt electric power and has blades with a width of up to 140 millimeters and a total length of over 6,000 millimeters. And let's not leave out the fact that the saw head comes with a customizable blade tension, which makes it easier for the user to cut right according to specifications. The Hakansson portable sawmill. The Hakansson company is known for their thinner blades that have extreme high cutting blades that are very quick. Their bimetal blades are more advanced than ordinary carbon blades as they are made from more than one metal. Bimetal blades combine the advantages of a high-speed steel cutting edge and the features of a highly fatigue-resistant steel in the body of the blade. This contributes to long blade life and faster and more uniform cutting rates. Additionally, this combination allows for more heat resistance, which in turn makes it operate at higher speeds without losing its cutting edge. This property of the Hakansson portable sawmill makes it incredibly faster than other band sawmills. The Logosol Model 8-30 is a versatile portable sawmill designed for both professional and hobbyist woodworkers seeking a reliable and efficient solution for on-site timber processing. The Model 830 is powered via 30 horsepower V-twin Kohler engine with electric start and offers a cutting capacity of up to 8.5 inches or 215 millimeters in both the horizontal and vertical cuts. In standard form, this model is capable of a milling length of 6 meters. Additional track extensions can be purchased if longer timber needs to be catered for. It comes with 5-tooth blades, which helps the machine cut faster because there is less resistance and more space for chip removal. It also comes with a 5.7mm kerf, which means that the blade removes more material with each pass, which helps save up on time. The mighty Mite D series portable band sawmill. This machine is the right choice if you value high production, long life, and yes, speed. It comes with over 60% more horsepower than other series such as the H model. It also comes with an extra wide track for faster cutting to ensure that you get your lumber as fast as you want it. To make this, the greater cutting width up to 32 cm is very useful. This machine will undoubtedly give you speed, precision, and power as they can cut up to 29 cubic meters in an 8-hour shift. They can go through both softwood and dense tropical hardwood, ranging from 20 cm to 2.13 m in diameter and from 1.22 m to 6.4 m in length, or even longer with optional track extensions. And then finally, the components of this machine are simple and can be easily replaced, saving the operators of the headache that comes when there's need for maintenance. The Baker Products 3665D comes equipped with a 65 horsepower Cummins engine, which is powered with a 22-gallon fuel tank that allows for extended operation without need for frequent refueling. This beast of a machine handles large logs with ease, allowing a two-man operation to turn out 6,000 board feet per day or more. The 15 by 28 inch opening gives the operator a clear line of sight, allowing logs of up to 36 inches in diameter to be cut with unprecedented speeds and precision. The band blades are available in various sizes, but they all employ Baker Products' legendary thin curve technology to make sure as little goes to waste as possible, no matter what size your operation. The Clarke portable sawmills are known for their precise cutting and very minimal waste when performing logging operations. Most of them make use of Swedish-made bandsaw blades that are easily changeable and sharpenable during use. A particular model, the 1220 CRZ, is powered by a 23 horsepower V-twin electric start engine that possesses a double crank system, which provides effortless control over the cutting head height and movement through logs. With aircraft cable feeds, these mills deliver speed that is needed especially in large-scale production. In addition, safety is also prioritized with the presence of enclosed blade shields and blade oiler for lumbers that are quite sappy. The Hud-Son Sawyer mill is a great mix of portability and strength, making it an ideal choice for small-scale woodworkers. But it doesn't just stop at being transportable. The Hud-Son Hunter is a workhorse. Even though it's a compact model, it doesn't compromise on strength or durability. The machine is specially built to withstand everyday use. Powered by a 7 horsepower gas engine with a manual start, and makes use of a 132-inch blade that can be used to cut logs up to 32 inches and 13 inches thick. Weighing only 3 pounds, it is made with strong aircraft-grade aluminum steel, which makes it durable. Overall, we recommend it for anyone working with wood due to its reliability, efficiency, and speed. The Peterson automated Swingblade mill delivers consistent commercial production with little effort. The machine is capable of making horizontal and vertical cuts and can also change the size or depth of the cut and can make up to 20 inches with a double cut. It also removes the previously cut board all at the touch of a button from the operator. And for users who don't want the wired control box and wants it wireless, they can do that very easily. Other traditional ASM models make use of a patrol motor using between 25 horsepower to 37 horsepower, but this machine offers a fully electric model with a 15 kilowatt 3-phase motor. Speed is a major advantage users get with the ASM. The operator can easily adjust cutting speed using a drive lever and an interface that even beginners can operate easily. The Logosol Big Mill Pro is a quite versatile and portable machine designed for on-site log sawing. It comes with a timber jig, a rigid aluminum guide rail, and stable steel guide rail holders, which allows for quick and easy setup and operation anywhere. The equipment is easy to assemble, and all necessary screws are included. The Logosol Big Mill is a complete equipment package that gives you unique opportunities to make use of valuable giant logs. It allows you to cut wide, rough-edged boards from different sorts of fine wood. This sawmill can handle log lengths up to 2.5 meters and diameters of up to 135 cm. Additionally, users can extend the equipment for longer logs. The Timbery M285 portable sawmill is specifically designed for woodworkers that need flexibility to mill wherever they want to. This robust machine can handle logs of up to 28 inches and 17 feet, which beats the mark, making it suitable for a wide range of milling operations. It is powered by a standard 14 horsepower gas engine, and if that is not enough for your needs, you can purchase an optional 16 horsepower and 23 horsepower to complement it. In addition to its powerful engine, its 19 inches band wheels and roller cam blade tensioner makes you easily specify your cuts, thus increasing efficiency and increasing its speed. The Norwood LumberMate LM29 is a highly dependable precision sawmill with a rugged frame and a wide range of powerful motor options, perfect for turning logs into high-quality lumber. With its advanced blade technology and intuitive controls, the LM29 is a must-have tool for the serious woodworker. Our widest selection of gas engine options makes it the ideal choice for milling hardwood and softwood timber. It comes with a 25-inch width of cut, 14 horsepower Kohler engine, its adjustable blades, guides, 144-inch saw blade, and a water tank for blade lubrication all contribute to its quick cutting capabilities. The LM29's advanced blade technology and easy-to-use controls make it an essential tool for serious woodworkers who value efficiency and speed. The Wood-Mizer WM1000 is designed to saw large logs including hardwood, softwood, and tropical species. Durable and easy to use, this mill features a saw head with a massive throat opening that moves along a twin rail frame. Moreover, the oversized blade wheels reduce stress on the blade, and the long blade length gives longer cutting time between sharpenings. The WM1000 can saw logs into halves, quarters, or manageable pieces for resawing. The WM1000 breaks down large logs with a capacity center cut of 67 inches and uses thin kerf narrow band blades that measure 2 to 3 inches wide that not only prevent material wastage but also speeds up the sawing process. If you liked our video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.